everyone. My name is Hannah.
My name is Julie.
And today we are going
to Quang Phu Cau Incense village. This is one of the traditional villages famous for its beauty and creativity. Do you know why its name is Quang Phu Cau? Because this village is located in Quang Phu Cau commune. This incense village that upholds the traditional crafts of incense making for more than 100 years. In Vietnam, they use incense to pray for the good things such as having a new boyfriend or become a millionaire. Today is a rainy day in Ha Noi. We were pretty worried and didn't have any ideas about traveling in that bad weather. But luckily, when we arrived, it was like an excellent day. No rain, no sun, so cool. First, we stopped at a village communal house. It's so beautiful, and I'm taking photos of two pretty girls. I'm an enthusiastic and lovely photographer, right? Just near $50, and you got a half day with amazing guys and pictures. The pink tart with 3 colors is so friendly and cute. Because of the color powder in here, so we got a new fur color right now. Every day, many tourists come here to visit and save their fantastic photos and see how to make incense in Vietnam.
I'm in the Quang Phu Cau village, and this is a factory who create the incense in here. Let's go. In the factory, we can see this. Wow, it's amazing. See, so professional, like making the incense really beautiful, colorful. Yeah. Then we will go inside to see what happened. A little bit like noisy in here. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's not really overly okay. A little bit smells. And my favorite girls in here. My friend girls from England. She showed how to make the incense.
I also like the view on the road. It's so green and peaceful. And after visiting Incense village, we are coming back to Ha Noi.
And I'm in the train station in Ha Noi. And today is a world like just amazing like time. I just go have a work in the train street waiting the street. It will be held at 5:45 p.m. and then I will still wait, and you can have drink coffee in here. This has a lot of foreigners, and I really enjoyed it. If you come to Ha Noi, let's try these activities. And this will be like, I don't know, just the feeling when the train come in. It's really good.
Ow, the train is coming. My heart is like boiling water right now. It's a remarkable experience that I haven't had. So come and try us on this ONT tour now. I put the information below in the caption. Moreover, if you want to join Ha Noi full day with the 3 traditional villages and make a conic head by yourself, join our tour with the local right now. I also put the booking link with us below this video. Here's some feedback from 2 beautiful girls today. Let's listen it.
Hello!
I'm Hannah.
I'm Lucy. I'm Hannah.
Yeah, and we just finished the Quang Phu Cau tour I just finished with Lucy, very beautiful. And where are you from?
I'm from Manchester in England. I'm from Kent in England.
Wow, both beautiful girls from England. So I will ask both of them some questions about this tour, which is in coffee train street, and it's really nice. How did you feel when you see the train is go through?
It was amazing. It was so close.
I was a little bit scared, especially on the turn. It can't hit you, but because you're so close, you think, oh my gosh, it's going to hit, it's going to hit.
Yeah, we were able to get a really, really good view, really good position.
Yeah. So how about the Quang Phu Cau? Do you feel good with the guy, or you feel good with the photographer? And how did you feel after the trip?
We had a great trip today. Got so many great photographs. The incense was gorgeous colours. So much fun. We were laughing the whole day.
Yeah, I think for both of us, we got lots of photos that we can share on our social media and be able to show how beautiful Vietnam is and how different it is to back home, to show people and hopefully get more and more people to come out to Asia. We love Vietnam, we love Asia, and today was a great side of the country that we've not been able to see yet.
Did you have any like uncomfortable like things about the tour? Just share it.
No, it was really good. Though,
a really good tour.
It was so good to get the feedback from the photographers on how to do the different poses.
Yes, I feel my Instagram is going to be much better now due to today's tour.
You will be the star.
100%.
Supermodel.
Some great advice on how to get the best angles in a photograph.
So can you tell me how you booked the tour? How can you book the tour in where you booked the tour?
Oh, so it was really easy. We searched on Get Your Guide, the app, and we booked it on there, and then we wanted to know a little bit more information, so we found the company online and messaged on WhatsApp, and they were so helpful and accommodating with changing the date. We needed to reschedule because we got our dates confused, and they were so informative, so quick to respond to any questions we had. And then when we got to Ha Noi, we were able to find their location really easily as well, and we went in and we spoke to them there as well. So we've done all different ways of communicating, and each time has been even better than the last.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Lucy, and thank you, Hannah.
Thank you.